Okay, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be looking at the case lineup by Ringke for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now this is the Fusion X case lineup, and this is the only lineup that they have available for the OnePlus 7 Pro. But I gotta say that these are actually some really great protective cases. I've used these cases for a lot of past devices. Still to this day, I still use these cases for other devices that I have currently, and I've also done drop tests using these cases as well, and they hold up great. I've even done a little drop test using the OnePlus 7 Pro with this case right here. Like I said, these are all the same exact cases, just different colors, and this one actually has a design, and there's also other designs you can choose from as well on their website. But check out this little drop test I did first. Okay, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. No cracks or scratches on the screen. Let's try it one more time in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that one actually landed very hard. That one actually landed on its back. Let me throw it one more time, see if I can get it to land on the screen so you can see just how well it is protected. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay, that was pretty hard as well. 3 drop test, and look at that, no damage to the screen, and this does not have a screen protector on it. So as you can see, no cracks. Phone's still working good. Look at that, still functioning properly. Working good. These cases give very good protection. So as you can see, the case held up great, and you can expect that same type of protection by any one of these cases here, no matter what color you pick or what design you pick. So let's go ahead and check out how good they look on this device. So let me go ahead and slap this on here. Let me go ahead and power off the device. There we go. So it does fit nice and tight. It's not loose. The device isn't going to go anywhere. It's got a nice lip on the bottom and at the top. So if you happen to drop it face down on a flat surface, it should be able to protect the screen pretty good. The buttons on the sides, as you can see, they're click nice and good. Let me go ahead and turn this device on. So you can see, working good. Power button working great as well. And then there's a little opening right here on the side for the toggle, so you can be able to have access for that as well. And then we also got the cutouts on the bottom for the 2 microphones, the charging port USB Type-C, and then the speaker. And then up top, we got a cutout as well for the microphone and the pop-up camera. Let's go ahead and try the pop-up camera and see how well it comes out of there. So let me go ahead and flip this around. Here we go. And it works good, as you can see there. Pops up perfect. Let me try one more time. There we go. So as you can see, the cutout works just fine. And then there's also a nice cutout in the back for the cameras, a nice deep cutout. So if you happen to drop the phone flat on its back, hopefully you shouldn't get any damage done to the camera. But I actually really like this black camo one. I actually think it looks really cool on this device. You still get the bluish color of the device, or even if you have the other colors that are available for this device, it's going to look cool either way. And then you got a nice cool design around the edges and the back, and even around the sides. It's got a nice hard rugged feel to it, so it really feels like it's going to protect your device pretty good. And even the plastic in the back, it's a nice hard plastic, and you can expect that with any of these cases. It's not a flimsy case at all. I mean, you can bend it a little bit, but for the most part, it is a hard plastic, so it's definitely going to protect your device. Let's go ahead and throw this blue one on right here to see how this one looks on the phone. Snaps on really good. And look at that. It goes really good with the blue color of this device as well. So this is the blue color. Let's go ahead and see what the black one looks like on here. That way you can show off the beautiful backing of this device, the beautiful color of the device. It's nice that they give you this clear back, but you still got these black outlines around the edges. So that one looking great as well. Now it does kind of hide the top of the OnePlus symbol, so that may bother somebody. Me, I really don't mind, to be honest. I think the cases look great overall. Let's go ahead and try the red one out. Now the red one probably won't look as good with this color device, but if you do have the black one or maybe the almond color one, it's going to look a lot better. But this is what the red one will look like with the blue OnePlus 7 Pro. So there you have it. This was the Ringke Fusion X lineup for the OnePlus 7 Pro. If you find yourself interested in any of these cases, I will make sure to leave a link
down in the description below. Like I said, going for around 15 bucks on their website and soon to be available on Amazon as well. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. Like I said, I've been using these cases for a very long time. They have never let me down, always providing great protection for my device. Anyways, like I said, let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.